So I'm Andy Lawrence, I'm the Head of Engineering at EPSRC. I'm here at the Pipebots demonstration event at the National Buried Infrastructure Facility in the University of Birmingham.
It's going well, so our industry partners like what demonstrating them. They can see clear relevance to what they're doing and the relevance to the problems they're trying to solve and the challenges what the industry faces in general.
One of the reasons why industry doesn't use autonomous robots is because they get stuck. They break. And we don't want our pipe networks to be stuffed with broken robots.
Autonomous robots are really difficult because, well, for many reasons, but it mostly combines like the three aspects, which is like mechanical, electronics, and software. To get everything right, it's really like this jigsaw puzzle. Like you need to have all the bits and pieces fitting together.
What we will be able to do is provide industry with the technology it needs to do the assessment of the condition of our buried pipes. It provides asset managers with the tools to then to manage their complete systems. There are many ways in which we might be able to take use of this, looking to the far future.
I think Pipebots has brought together a real combination of great elements. Firstly, it's real novel engineering, emerging technologies, world-leading researchers, and really provide that exciting vision of what this can achieve in the future.